Hey everybody, High Mileage Rider here, and today's video is going to be a review of the SW-MOTECH Daypack tank bag with the optional map pocket. If this is something that interests you, stick around. Okay, welcome back everybody. So, let's show you the SW-MOTECH Daypack tank bag. Let's just turn this camera around. And I've mounted it onto my 2019 Yamaha Super Tenere. We will show you the bag. There it is right there. Daypack. These top perforations are for when I show you how we put the map pocket on. And underneath, we have the adjustable bracket for where you want to mount the tank bag onto the tank as far as closeness to the handlebars or farther back. Now, I assume that everybody can take a screw off a bike and put a screw back on, so I've not bored you with that portion, but here is the tank ring. It comes in two pieces. The lower piece, which is very thin, about 3 millimeters, and the upper piece, which is about 7 or 8 millimeters. What you do is you undo the 2 screws here, 2 screws here. There are 5 screws in total. This one does not get undone. Then you put the lower portion of the tank ring on, and you put these 2 screws that they come in the package on, and these 2 screws, which are flat heads, and they also come in the package. Then you slide the upper tank ring over top, and you put these little nuts on. And this is the mounting ring for the tank bag. You could see that it lines up here. In order to get the tank bag off, all you do is pull this string, and you can see that it releases these prongs. Okay? So, to mount it onto the bike is very simple. You're just going to have the ring and the bracket line up. Go down here, and it clips on. Now this bag, being the smaller bag, does not follow the contour of the tank. The larger ones do, but I wanted just a small tank bag for my bike. Again, this one is 5 to 8 liters. It is expandable, but let's show you the bag first. 2 zippers, one on each side, and then you open it up, and inside there's a mesh pouch for holding stuff separately, sunglasses, whatever you like. There's the inner portion, which is just one large open portion. And you get a rain cover. So we're going to zip this up. Now, if you wish to expand this into its largest dimensions, there's a zipper at the front. So let's undo the zipper. We'll try and do this all with one hand. There we go. And then you simply pull it up. There, you can see how much higher it is. So, again, 5 liters in the lowest position, 8 liters in the largest. For me, this tank bag is just big enough for me to carry my essentials, which if I'm going across the border, I'll have my passport, my wallet, my phone, change for toll booths, a lighter set of gloves or heavier gloves depending on the temperature when I leave in the morning, my extra glasses, some chapstick, water, ball cap for when I get to a stop somewhere. Now, of course, this is released by just pulling the red string that is in the front. See if I can do this with one hand. There. And it just pulls off. So we'll put it back on again. There we go. And we'll show you the map pocket that I bought with this as well. So this is the map pocket. It's also considered a tablet bag, so you could put an iPad in there if you wanted to, or your phone. It has an interesting mechanism on the back. There's two little prongs that fold up and down, and then a bungee cord. So what you do is you will take this map pocket and slide it into the little perforations. Slide it forward. Then you will pull it down. You'll grab the bungee cord. It has a clip on the end that clips into this clip. And that is what holds your map pocket on top. And there's what it looks like on the bike. So this SW-MOTECH Daypack bag with the map pocket and of course the mounting ring cost $380 Canadian. I bought it from Riverside Suzzuki Yamaha. Great dealership. I recommend anyone in Edmonton, Alberta to go there to buy your products. They're a wonderful dealership to deal with. And that's about it. It's a pretty simple product. I think it's going to vastly improve my touring comfort and accessibility to the things that I need, especially going across a border. Let's turn this camera around again. So, we'll get out on the road and I'll show you how it is on the highway, how stable it is. We'll see you there.
Okay, so we're on the highway, everybody. I thought I'd let you know what the SW-MOTECH Daypack tank bag is like at highway speed. And as you can see, it sits very securely on the tank. Mine is a little bit askew to the left because I just have to loosen the bolts underneath and straighten the tank bag and then tighten them back down. But yes, it's nice and solid. I don't have the map pocket mount on top because, well, I don't have a map to put into it. But this is going to be a really handy piece of luggage for our longer trips, especially when we go across the border. I don't know about you guys, but I don't like having a lot of stuff put in my pockets and my inside jacket pocket and stuff. So because I have the TomTom GPS that I mount here, I'll just throw my phone inside here, my passport, my wallet. I'll have extra glasses, lighter set of gloves or heavier set of gloves depending on what the weather is like the day that I head out. Chapstick, bottle of water, glasses cleaner, all those good things. Tire pressure gauge. So yeah, I'm very impressed with how nice and sturdy it is at 115 kilometers an hour roughly. And it's quite a windy day today. Where I have it mounted, it does not bind on the handlebars when I do slow speed tight maneuvering with a locked handlebars. So you probably noticed that I've got Matthew ahead of me on this ride today. I did this, shot this tank bag review, and then he and I decided to head out for a ride afterwards. It's a beautiful sunny day on Sunday, April 3rd, 2022. So, if you like this review of the SW-MOTECH Daypack tank bag, give it a thumbs up. And we'll see you guys in the next review and the next video. Until then, remember to keep the rubber side down and your right hand cranked. And everybody be safe out there.